So I just wanted to show a couple of the mods I've done to my E46 M3. I've got an Android head unit. This one is by a company called Ericsson. They do quite a good one. This is a few years old now. The reason I like this one is because the buttons remained OEM style, whereas other makes like Dinavin and so on, they've got the rectangular button which sort of doesn't fit in with the styling of the rest of the center console, and I quite like the Ericsson one. It does the job, it runs Waze and Spotify, so can't really complain. It's got local music as well. The other thing I did was, in the glove box, I put in a 4G box, 4G dongle, for hotspotting onto the head unit. That's powered by 12-volt cigarette lighter, which I got through converting the torch charging socket into a 12-volt outlet. So that just plugs in there, so I've got two 12-volt outlets and a quick charge 3.0 USB output as well. That's routing into the center console here, which is tucked away underneath this tray work here with a Type-C cable. And what I've also done is modded in a fast wireless charging pad, so I can just slide in my phone. This is the Galaxy S10e, and you do get fast charging. 10 watts on this pad, but in future I could put a 15-watt one in there. Unfortunately, the S10e is the only phone that will reasonably fit in there. It is pretty much snug, and that's pretty much the only phone you'll get in there, unless you've got an iPhone 5 or something, but those phones aren't wireless charging capable. But it works, it does the job. When it's not in use, it's tucked away there, you can't even tell. You can just slide it in and it charges that way as well, so you know, that's pretty cool. Other than that, those are the creature comfort improvements I've done to my E46.